Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Okay, imagine this, it's Friday night. You've got snacks ready, gaming controller in hand, and your favorite game just got a new update. You're excited to try it out. But the moment you hit start, your console freezes. Turns out, your system software is outdated. To play the game, you need to update it. Well, websites work the same way. If your PHP version is outdated, things start breaking. Plugins crash, features stop responding, and your site lags like a game on slow network Wi-Fi. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a tech expert to fix it. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily update your PHP version using cPanel. No complicated stuff. And if your hosting provider makes it hard to update PHP versions, that's like owning a console that never gets updates. Frustrating and outdated. With YouStable, you get total control over your PHP version, fast SSD hosting, and a beginner-friendly cPanel that feels like plug and play. Whether you run a blog, a business site, or a web app, YouStable gives you pro-level control with zero technical hassle. Click the link in the description and level up your hosting with YouStable, where speed, support, and simplicity come standard. Sometimes different software requires different versions of PHP. Then we need to switch the PHP version using cPanel. Let's see how we can do it. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the software section and click Multi-PHP Manager. Here we can set the PHP version for the particular domain. There is a box before the name of the domain whose PHP version we want to change. Click to check the box. Now, go and select the PHP version we need from the drop-down list. Now, click the Apply button. That's it. We have successfully changed the version of PHP. Now you can see that the PHP version of the selected domain has been changed. Thank you for watching.